Today topic is glucocorticoids. I am going to talk about glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids are secreted from adrenal cortex, zona, fasiculata. Adrenal gland is situated on kidney, superior part of kidney. This is adrenal gland. It is also known as suprarenal gland. This suprarenal gland or adrenal gland is composed of adrenal medulla and adrenal cortex. Now, adrenal cortex is divided into three zones from outside to inside: zona, glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. You know that this layer secretes glucocorticoids. Types of glucocorticoids. Types: hydrocortisone or cortisone. Number two, corticosteroid. Number three, cortisone. Cortisol, hydrocortisone. Then methyl dopa, methyl prednisolone, dexamethasone, or prednisolone. These are types of glucocorticoids. Now, secretion or synthesis of glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids synthesis. Synthesis of glucocorticoids occur in cell of zona fasciculata. The basic cholesterol, basic substance is cholesterol. Cholesterol, two sources of cholesterol is there. First is de novo. De novo means cell can form this cholesterol by acetate present in acetate and acetyl coenzyme present in the cell. This will form cholesterol, but it is only 20%. Main cholesterol comes from low density lipoprotein which is present in the circulation. 70% comes from this. This is synthesis. Now, coming to the steps of synthesis. Synthesis occurs in mitochondria and to some extent in rough endoplasmic reticulum. In enzymes are cytochrome P450 is the main enzyme. This is system of enzymes. Many enzymes are there and this helps in formation of this causes formation of synthesis of glucocorticoids. Now steps. Steps of cholesterol, then progesterone, 7 hydroxyprogesterone, and finally cortisol. This enzyme 11 hydroxy cortisol is present only in cells of zona fasiculata. Therefore, it is formed in the cells of zona fasiculata. After formation, cortisol released into circulation, where it is carried by transportin or corticosteroid binding globulin. Transportin or corticosteroid binding globulin. And second is 25% is combined with albumin. This forms reservoir. Only little amount is present in free state. It is present in free state. Metabolism of this hormone, metabolism by liver and kidney, by process of conjugation and reduction. After that, this is excreted in urine and stool. Now, regulation of synthesis. How this is synthesized? Synthesis of glucocorticoid regulated by ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone released from anterior pituitary. And second is glucocorticoids itself by feedback mechanism. ACTH, powerful stimulant, then glucocorticoid, that is due to feedback mechanism. Now coming to function. Functions of glucocorticoids. Functions of glucocorticoids on protein. Effect on protein. Before that, mechanism of function of glucocorticoids. Mechanism of action. Glucocorticoids, being a steroid hormone, enters into the cell directly and goes to the nucleus, where it acts on DNA. Causing formation of mRNA, messenger RNA. This messenger RNA will cause formation of many types of enzymes that will exert action on different parts. On muscles, it will cause destruction of this protein, muscle protein, releasing amino acids. Amino acids. On bones, it has osteolytic activity causing release of amino acid and calcium ions. This calcium ion will go into the pool and will go amino acid will go into the liver. It will go into the liver. These amino acids will go into the liver to form glucose, gluconeogenesis. From the fat, lipolysis will occur and glycerol and free fatty acids are released. This glycerol and free fatty acids goes into the liver and this also forms glucose. Now, galactose. All these two things will increase the blood sugar level. Now, glycogen, glycogenolysis. Glycogen is converted into glucose. These three things will increase the level of glucose. On the blood vessel, it will cause stimulate alpha 1 adrenergic receptor. Adrenergic alpha 1 receptors causing vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction causing release of increase of blood pressure. Second, it has also mineralocorticoid has also some effect of mineralocorticoids. Mineralocorticoids. Some effect like mineralocorticoid which will cause sodium retention, water retention, and increased renin formation. This will cause sodium retention and therefore water retention increasing blood volume and so blood pressure. Effect on GIT. Effect on GIT, it depresses proliferation of gastric mucosa. GIT, mucosa and gastric mucosa leading to increased gastric secretion. And therefore it causes gastritis and gastric ulcers. On CNS, it reduces nerve impulse transmission and causes depression and different types of neurosis. On blood cells, WBC series, monocytes, macrophages. On these cells, it depresses release of histamine and other protective substances from this. And it also favors migration of WBC series, leading to relative increase of RBC count. As it acts upon WBC, prevent release of histamine and other subglucosins, etc. So there, it also depresses immunity. So I think I have covered all the main points of glucocorticoids. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel and share this video to your colleagues so that some points may be added to their knowledge and experience. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment. Okay, thank you.